In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to remove and reinstall the driver's side front seat in your Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon. This is a little bit tricky, but if you spilled something or you've got something under that seat and you need to remove it for some reason, this video should help you out. I'm going to move the seat all the way forward. Now with the seat all the way forward, it reveals a T50 bolt right there. Come over to this side, you're expecting to see another one, but there's nothing there. So there is a hidden fastener. I'm going to come through on the front side, and you see this little slit in the carpet right here? Just get your finger underneath there, lift straight up. And there's our other screw. Need to remove the seat belt, and we have a T30 screw we need to remove right there. Then with the screw out of the way, you can separate this and then just twist and pull out the seat belt. What I'm going to do is lift up from the back about that angle and then pull straight back. Now we need to disconnect the wiring harness, which is right underneath this carpet. It is hidden as well. So you can lift this red tab all the way up and then lift up on the gray lever, and it's going to automatically come apart just like that. Now you can really get in here and clean if that's what you want to do, or you can see what the previous owners have eaten, or see what kind of bugs or money you may find. Now to reconnect this, you need to kind of squeeze it together and then bring down this gray lever at the same time. Then you can just slide the seat forward, kind of tip it up from the back a little bit, and slide forward. Reinstall our two screws. Now we're going to open up our seatbelt holder, reinstall the seatbelt. Squeeze that. Now we're going to go ahead and install our screw. Go ahead and test out the seat and make sure it's moving forward and backward nice and smooth. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you remove and reinstall your driver's side front seat. Hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.